What is going on, guys? Welcome back to Trading Learning 101. Today we're going to talk about some very useful tools in the Trading Learning 101 Discord server. Now, I have multiple tools in this server to help us do our jobs effortlessly and more easily. So the first one we're going to talk about is the stock bot. If you go to the bot chart lookup under the stock talk other subjects, click on this. You can see that there's a stock bot in here that I keep talking with. Now there's a list of commands for this stock bot. Some commands that you could use for this stock bot, like for an example, looking up to see which top stocks are the top stocks for the day. I call this either I say I POP or I popular. So let me type in I pop, and this stock bot is going to search through and pull up all the most popular ticker symbols for today. And you could see popular symbols, and this is scanning. This stock bot is in a total of 21,455 servers. So out of 2,100 servers, the last 24 hours, these are the most mentioned stocks in those servers. Number one is AMC. It's been seen 880 times with the price change, the current price right here. What you could also look for with this stock bot is you could pull up multiple different charts. So again, I like to say I see. Now this one you can range the charts. I think it's from 1 through 10. The first one we can do is IC and then the ticker symbol. So let's look up AMC. And you can see the stock bot will pull a chart from bigcharts.com. And this is the current 1 minute chart of AMC. I like to use this tool when I'm out and about and I'm away from my computer. I'll jump into the server and I'll look up what popular stocks are popping off. And then I'll come into here and I'll quickly just pull up charts to get a glance at what's going on. Another chart, we could say IC2 for the next chart. Let's look up AMC again. And you can see now this is pulling from FinViz. And there's all kinds of different charts. Like I said, we'll run through real quickly and we'll look at them real quick. So IC3 AMC, the ticker symbol. This is AMC. This is a daily chart. So this is a very, very handy tool for all of us. Most definitely utilize this and take advantage of it. It's at our fingertips. IC4. Let's look at the SPY. Once again, it's a daily chart, but this is pulling up a different chart. This is from, I forget what website that this is from. Chartmill, I believe. IC5 QQQ. I think it goes up to 7 if I'm not mistaken. This one's from TradingView. It's got a link right there for you. IC7 GME. And there's another chart right here. Very cool tool for all of us to use. Now there's a lot more that you could do with this stock bot. Like I've said, there's a big list of commands that you can learn for this stock bot. So if you type in I commands, link to help for all commands, we'll click on that link and this website pops up. And look at, these are all the different commands that you can quickly learn. These are all commands that you can memorize or even save this link and I'll share it with you guys here in the Tuesday chat. Go through, check out that list of commands for this stock bot. I mean, there's all kinds of stuff that you could do with this stock bot. You can look up news, OTC news. You can look up halts, when stocks halt and unhalt on the exchanges, suspensions. You can look up upcoming earnings, IPOs, the most active stocks, the gainers, losers, popular. I mean, it just goes on and on and on and on what you can do with this stock bot. It's unreal. So go through this list like I said and check it all out. See, here's all the charts right here. It goes up to 8. It even gets involved with crypto, futures, Forex, all kinds of good stuff. And you can actually, if you're on Discord, you can also create your own server. See how it says that plus sign add server? Well, from that, you can add your own server and then invite this stock bot to your server. And then you could have that stock bot do whatever in your own personal server. So that's one tool that we have here in the Discord. But we also have, if we go to the ETFs only in the stock talk, other subjects, this is a really cool one. So I have the Dilution Tracker. You could easily follow this dude on Twitter. Every single day after the market closes, he does a daily dilution update. He'll do the offering, he'll name the ticker symbol, how much of an offering they're doing, and at what price. And every single day, you could come into this ETFs only. You could see every day he's posting the daily dilution update. So here on May 12th, this is old. Go to most recent. So here throughout the day, you see GOED big offering 205 million at $2.25 with 100% warrant. Just by checking this every day, you're staying familiar with stocks and tickers that are doing offerings. And then if any of these pop up in the future, you can think back and be like, oh wait, I just seen a couple weeks ago in the daily tracker dilution that this ticker was mentioned and they had 500 million offering at $5. So little things like that will separate you from the rest of the sheep. Also, in this ETFs only chat lounge here, you could see I have other news sources posting in here. ETF trends, CNBC's ETF Edge. So if you're really into your ETFs and you want to track this stuff, check out the ETFs only chat here. And I have a bot pulling from the internet all of these news sources, whatever it is related to ETFs, it's going to post it in here. This is a very, very handy tool. Like today, CNBC's ETF Edge. Check out energy sector ETF XLE, surging more than 3% today for its fourth straight session in the green. And what have we been noticing today? We've been seeing a lot of energy stocks pop up and having good pushes today. Take advantage of this stuff, guys. It's right here at our fingertips. We got two more tools that we're going to talk about. Once again, under the stock talk, other subjects. Another cool tip for you guys, you're going to see a lot of channels. You're able to collapse them and uncollapse them. Like you can see, I'm doing that right now with the stock talk. It may look like that this server is cluttered with a lot of channels. You can easily collapse them like this to clean it up a bit, as I'm doing right now. So they're all closed up, and then you see something that you like, ooh, trading platforms chat. What's that? Click on that, and it's going to collapse down all the sub channels. So you can see I have all the different trading platforms here, from Thinkorswim, Robinhood, Street Smart Edge. So if there's a platform that you're interested in or you want to look more into, look into it. Like let's look at Thinkorswim. If you come to the Thinkorswim, and with all of these channels as well, please go up here to pinned messages. You guys may be surprised what you find and what I've pinned to these channels. So if you come to the Thinkorswim here, you know how Thinkorswim has it to where you can create custom indicators, scans, and all of that. So what I've done, you've guys seen me use Thinkorswim, and I've had people ask about my indicators that I have. If you clicked on the pinned messages here, look back here, look at, I've shared all of my indicators that I've stumbled upon. They're all right here at your fingertips, right there. There's probably over 20 different indicators in here, from a calculator that you could have on your chart. So you could easily see with $50,000 at a stock's current price, how many shares I could buy at a quick glance. $75,000, I can buy 5,304 shares. So you don't have to manually do the math yourself if you're with a cash account, or, you know, there's the popular Thinkorswim volume buy sell script. There's a lot of hidden cool stuff in this server, guys, and I've been adding and adding and adding to this server over the course of the last 3 years. So you can only imagine all the goodies that I have stuffed away in this server. You just have to search for it. It's right. I give you guys all the tools that you need. With that being done, we can go back to Stock Talk, other subjects. I could see, we'll go to Twitter. You can see I have a Twitter Stock Talk, other subjects here. And what this is I have a bot pulling tweets from traders on Twitter. So popular traders that are on Twitter, every single time that they tweet about something, this bot is going to pull it from Twitter and it's going to post it in here. And some traders that I have in here is Nathan from Investors Underground. I got Dekmar from Dekmar Trades, and a few other people as well. Nathan's retweeting that. I'm pretty sure I have Bao from my investment club. I got SMB Capital posting in here. Check this stuff out. It's all right here. And this, I thought that this would be a cool little touch to have to filter out some really good traders, have them post their tweets in here throughout the day. Now, the next one, we're still under the Stock Talk other subjects. Right here, Twitter newsfeed. This is the same thing. This bot is pulling tweets from Twitter from all of the big major financial news sources on Twitter. So in a way, this is like a news scanner. Every single time one of these news sources tweets news, this bot is going to pull it from Twitter and it's going to post it in here. And I have all of the major news sources in here, from Yahoo Finance, Bloomberg, CNBC, there's Yahoo Finance, there's Bloomberg, Wall Street Journal. I mean, the list goes on and on and on and on. Seeking Alpha, Market Watch, any news that you could think of with it being related to the stock market and finance, I have it in here. I just forget what I pulled from Twitter. I know I sat down and I made a big list and I just kept adding it and adding it and adding it. So every morning, if you wanted, you could head right over into here and see all the news articles that are getting printed out from all of these news sources. These are some pretty cool tools that we have here in the Trading Learning 101 server. And like I've said, this is all to help make your job easier. And it's all how you use these tools and look at these tools to help you in your trading job journey. You know, there's some people that they really rely on the news to find stocks to trade. Try to use this to your advantage. Figure out a way that you can use this to your advantage, like I said. The only thing that I don't have with this, and I don't know if it would work, is if you come to the search bar right here, and if there's anything, keywords that you wanted to look up, like cancer, let's see what it pulls up. So right there, you can search cancer, and you can see right there, the bot pulled this news article from Johnson & Johnson body powder, cancer. So let's say you want to look up IPO. Here's all your IPO news related stuff. So that's one cool thing that you could do with this as well. All the news articles that's mentioned IPO, it's going to be right here. What's another big hot topic? Bitcoin. Type in Bitcoin. Here's all your news articles on Bitcoin. So I wanted to make this video, show you guys all of the cool trading tools that I think you guys didn't even know about and that you have available at your fingertips in this server. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching. As I always say, have that patience, have that discipline, and study, study, study. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Join the Trading Learning 101 community where we all grow as traders and investors. Later.